Hello, I'm Ricky Fleckenstein. I'm the education coordinator for Casa de Amigos. I'm going to be doing chapter 2 for you. The reason why is Maria Moreland has recorded it twice and I kept messing up, and so I didn't want to ask her to record it again. So I'm going to be doing chapter 2. We'll be starting on page 8 in your book there. And what we're going to do is learn about words in the classroom and words at home that you use to name different rooms. We're going to start with the classroom and kind of go over some vocabulary, like this is a pen. And if you'll repeat it after me, this will help practice. But pen, book, book, pencil, pencil. Notice the difference in a pencil and a pen. There's two different things. This one's a pencil, pen. Okay. This is notebook. This is bookshelves. Notice these are books on the shelves here. It holds the books. Globe, okay. And a globe is a model of the world, but this is called a globe. The real thing is the world. This is a map of the globe. They're the same. Okay. This is a board. This is sometimes called a blackboard or a board, or this back here is also a board. This is a whiteboard. Okay. This is a wall, like in your house. The walls. Clock. This is a bulletin board. Now, this and this one, they're different. This one's for you write on it, and a bulletin board, you hang stuff on it, or you pin things to the bulletin board. Okay. Computer. This is a table. Chair. Ruler. Desk. Okay, let's look at these two. Okay, the desk has storage. You can put things in a desk. Okay, a table has no storage. You can't put things in them. So that's how you tell them apart. If you can store things like this one, then that's a desk. No storage, table. And this one is a picture of a dictionary. You look up words in the dictionary. A lot of people use their phone. They look up words on their phone. That's what I use, is my phone and not a book. Okay? So that's sort of the vocabulary for your classroom. Now, we're also introducing the word on. Like you could put your pen on the table, okay? Let me get this one. On. You put it down on something. I put the pen down here. Okay? You write on the board. On. Okay? That's when you get on it. Now, like let's see what other examples it talks about here. So this is when you lay it down on something. That's the word on. So let's look at that. I want you to look at page 8 and cover the stuff at the bottom. Okay, and see if you can name all the different parts that are here. See if you can name each one. Say them in Spanish and then say them in English. Like, okay. So you can pause the tape for a little bit, do that, and then come back for page 9. So we're on page 9 now. Yeah, this is backwards. All right, page 9. What you're going to do is you're going to practice. Like, where is the book? The book is on the desk. Okay. Where is the map? It's on the wall. Where is the computer? It's on the table. Okay, let's look at this. We've got where is. That's also where's. Both are correct. You can say where is or where's. Or the same with it. It is, it's. It is, it's. Both are correct. You can use either one. Okay? So what I need you to do is to stop the tape, pause it, do one, practice saying it, reading it to yourself, and then when you get done, turn the tape back on and we will practice and see. Okay, hopefully you practiced 1 through 9, and so we're going to kind of just go over those so you can sort of see if you did it correctly or not. Okay, where is the pen? It's on the desk. Where is the board? It's on the wall. Where is the globe? It's on the table. Notice the difference between the table and the desk. They're different. Number 4, where is the ruler? It's on the chair. Where is the pencil? It's on the desk. Where is the clock? It's on the wall. Where is the notebook? It's on the table. Where is the dictionary? It's on the bookshelf. Where is the bulletin board? It's on the wall. So practice that with your family and just like ask your other people that live in your house, like where is something, like where is the phone? It's on the table. Okay? I want to remind you that if you need help with any lessons or whatever, you can email Sandra or you can email me and ask the question. You can ask it in Spanish or English, and we will answer that for you. Okay, so anytime you're having trouble with something and want to ask for help, please be sure to email us so that we can help you. Okay, now we're on page 10. Okay, we're going to look at the house, at things in the house. Okay, we're going to look at things that are in the house. Okay, the first one is living room. Living room. Usually in the living room is where you watch TV. Is where you watch TV and you sit and talk. Dining room, it's usually the place where you eat. You usually eat in the dining room. The kitchen is where you prepare your meals. Sometimes you eat in the kitchen too. If your table is in the kitchen, you can also eat in the kitchen. This is the bedroom. This is where you sleep. Bedroom. This is bathroom. This is where you clean up, take showers, baths, go to the bathroom, wash your hands, brush your teeth, that kind of stuff in the bathroom. Okay. This is the attic. Okay. This is backyard or yard. Usually the backyard has a fence. The front yard, sometimes they do, sometimes they don't have fence. This is garage. This is where you park your car. You also use it for storage. You put things in your garage that you want out of the weather so they don't get all messed up. And this is the basement, okay? Let me show you here. This is attic and this is the basement, okay? Attic is above and basement is below. So that's how you can tell them apart. Attic above, basement down low, the ground usually. In West Texas and in Midland, we don't have a lot of basements, but other areas, they have basements that help. Up in the Panhandle where they have a lot of tornadoes, up around Amarillo and stuff, people have basements that they go to whenever tornadoes come. Okay, another thing we want to cover is where I am, and that's, it's also I'm. I am or I'm, both are correct. We are or we're. Okay. We are, we're. Both are correct. Mr. and Mrs. Okay. And then they are or they're. So this is going to be part of what you're going to do on the next page, on page 11. You're going to be using these. Okay. Whenever you say, let me erase this, and then we can. Whenever they say Mr. is a man, and he can be single or married. Mr. Okay? Now, Mrs. is a woman Mrs. is a woman who is married. Okay? Miss is a woman who is single, who has not been married. Okay? And if you're not sure if they're married or not, a lot of women go by Ms. And that's if you're not sure if they're married or not married. You would use the word Ms. Okay? And that's going to be some of what will help you in this next section in your book. Okay? Let's look up here at this top blue part. I'm going to read it, and I want you to repeat after me. Where am I? Where am I? Where is he? Where is he? Where is she? Where is she? Where is it? Where is it? Now, when you use it, it's something that's not a man or a woman. Like a marker is an it, or like a drink would be it. Like, where is it? Or if you're missing your jacket, where is it? Okay. Now, where are we? Where are we? Where are you? Where are you? Okay. Then you could use this, like, I am or I'm in the kitchen. He is, he or he's in the kitchen. She is, she's in the kitchen. It's in the kitchen. We're in the kitchen. You're in the kitchen. They're in the kitchen. let's look at these examples right here. Right here, let's look at these examples, and then you can work on your own for a little bit. The first one there, it says, right here, it says, where are you? I'm in the kitchen. It says, where are you? We're in the living room, because there's more than one person here. See, there's more than one person, so you would say we are, we're, okay? And then the last one says, where are Mr. and Mrs. Jones? They are in the yard. Again, there's more than one, there's two or more, so you would say they are, or they are, or they're in the yard, okay? Now, I want you to look at 1 through 9. Do those on your own. Like the number 1, like where are you? Where is this boy on number 1? And what is he doing? He's sitting on his bed. So he would be in which room? He would be in the bedroom. Okay? So that's what you do to these. You take and figure out which room each group of people are, and if you would use I'm, or he, or she, or they, or there. Okay? So pause the tape, pause the video, do 1 through 9, and then come back in a little bit and we'll go over them together and see how you did. Okay, welcome back. Hopefully you had the chance to do on page 11, 1 through 9. And we're going to kind of review those, go over those, and see if you got those correct. It says, where are you? In the bed. Number 2, the kitchen. We are, because there's more than one, we are in the kitchen. Number 3, where are Jim and Pam? They are in the living room. Where are you? I am in the bathroom, or I am in the shower in the bathroom. Where are Mr. and Mrs. Park? They are in the dining room. Where are you? We are in the yard. Number 7, where are you? I am in the garage. Number 8, where are you and Ben? We are in the basement. Number 9, where are Mr. and Mrs. Hernandez? They are. Hopefully you kind of got those. If it's you and someone else, you use we. If it's just 2 other people, you use they. But if you include yourself with more than one person, you would say we are. Okay? Let's look at page 12. Okay? And this is, where's Bob? It's the same type thing. You would say, where is Bob, or where's Bob? Both are correct. Where's Bob? He's in the living room. Let's do these first ones. Okay. Where's Mary? She's in the bedroom. Where's the car? It's in the garage. Okay. You're going to do the same type thing, some more practice on 1 through 9 on page 12. So what I need you to do is pause the tape, do 1 through 9 on page 12, and then turn the tape back on, and we will go over those together. Number 1, where is Tim? Tim is in the bedroom. Number 2, where is Rosa? Rosa is in the yard. Number 3, where is the newspaper? The newspaper is in the kitchen. Number 4, where is Peggy? Peggy is in the living room. We assume she's in the living room because that's where most people's TV is, in the living room. Number 5, where's the telephone book? It's in the bedroom. Okay, a lot of people wonder what a telephone book is, but it's a book that the telephone company gives you that has everybody's phone number that lives in your area. Now that most everybody uses cell phones and not phones at your house, there's not as many telephone books as there used to be. So a telephone book is something that has kind of gone away, that there's not a need for it anymore. Okay, let's look at number 6. Where is Harry? He is in the bathroom. Where is Ellen? She is in the dining room. Where is Kevin? He is in the garage. And where is the cell phone? It is in the kitchen. Now, if it's a guy like Tim, it's he. If it's a girl like Rosa or Linda, then it's she. Okay. And if it's not either a guy or a girl, then it's it. Like a newspaper is an it, phone book is an it, and a cell phone is an it. Okay. So the difference, if it's a guy, if it's a girl, she. Practice reading. And what I want you to do is to stop the tape and read over this, look over all of this on page 13 and see if you understand most of the words. There's a lot of countries, talks about the different countries that students is interested in, or maybe they are from. Okay. So look over that, and then after you've kind of looked at all of those, then I'll read that to you and we'll see how it goes. So stop the tape. Okay, let's read over this, because then there at the bottom, we're going to read over it, and then right here there's going to be some true and false questions to see how well you understand. This is the purpose of doing this, is to practice reading and then to also see if you understand the things that you read. So follow along as I read. The students in my English and note that'll help you understand the story. From Puerto Rico. Go. Okay, I had a glitch here, so let me get this back on. Okay, it just happened. Let's start with the second paragraph. George is Greek. She's from yes, the different countries, and we're friends. I really wish we could meet here. We can't do that right now by sometime. Okay, now let's read true and false questions. Linda, is that true or false? We look over here. Linda is Puerto Rican, is from Puerto Rico. So this first one would be false. The second one, George is Greek. George is Greek. Number 2 would be true. Number 3, Henry is from, that's correct. Mr. and Mrs. Kim are from Seoul, Korea. Carla is Chinese. Where is Carla? There. Carla is Italian, so that would be false. Number 6, the students in my class are from many different countries, and that's true. They're from a lot of different places, and just like people taking this class right now at home, we have a lot of people. We have about 30-something people taking this class, and they're from all over the country. So that very true. true. What you to think about is the next town on the interstate as you go. So I've lived other places, but I moved back, and so that's why I have always been from Stanton. Greetings. This is just a practice at the bottom of this page of how would you greet someone. You would say, hi, how are you? Usually a person says fine, and then you would say, fine, thank you. You want to thank them for being interested in the things that you do. Let's look at page 14. Page 14. What you're going to do is you're going to ask and answer questions based on what you see in the picture. Like in the first picture, that is Albert, and you would say, where is Albert? And then the response would be, because Albert is a boy, it would be, he is at the restaurant. Okay, number 2, where is Carmen? She, because she's a girl, she is at the bank. Okay, and that's what you do. Do 3 through 9. And then at the bottom down there, what you'll do is you'll make up some. You'll make up your own here. Like you might use your family, or you might just make up somebody, but it could be like, where are the children? And the answer would be, the children are at school. Okay, so do that. Pause the recording, do that, and then come back and we'll go over those. Okay, good. I hope you did page 14, 1 through 9, and then made up the 3 of your own. If we were in class, we would share those with each other. We did 1 and 2, so we'll start at number 3. And number 3 would be, where are Walter and Mary? And the response would be, they are at the supermarket or the grocery store. Both are correct, supermarket or grocery store. Number 4, where are you? I am at the library. Number 5, where are you? We are at the park. And I use we instead of I. See over here, this one we used I because there was 1. Here, there was 2, me and someone else. So we used we. Number 6, where is Kate? She is at the movie theater. Number 7, where are Mr. and Mrs. Lee? There's 2 of them. So you would say, they are at the post office. Number 8, where is the monkey? The monkey, or you would say it, if you don't know if it's a boy or girl monkey. So you would say either the monkey or you would say it is at the zoo. And number 9, where am I? I am at the hospital. Okay? So hopefully those worked okay for you. Remember, email us if you have questions so we can help you. Okay, this is another part of reading that you're going to, all the students in my English class were absent today. We're going to find out why everybody was absent. All the students in my English class are absent today. George is absent. He's in the hospital. Maria is absent. She is at the dentist. Mr. and Ms. Soto are absent. They are at the Social Security office. Even our English teacher is absent. He is home in bed. What a shame. Everyone in my English class is absent today. Everyone except me. Okay? So let's look at these questions here on page 15, right here in the middle. The first one is, where is George? So figure out where George is and tell me where George is. Where was George? He was in the hospital. George was in the hospital. Where was Maria? Maria had to go to the dentist. She probably had some problems with her teeth. So Maria was at the dentist. Where are Mr. and Mrs. Soto? They are at the Social Security office. They probably needed to do some paperwork. And where is the English teacher? The English teacher is home in bed sick. See, this is the English teacher right there. And they're sick. Okay. Okay, this part requires you to, I'm going to read a sentence and you pick the correct answer. Okay, I'll read the sentence. I'll kind of do the first one. I'm talking about here at the bottom where it says listening. It's these right here. And you pick either A or B. Okay. Mr. and Mrs. Lee are in the park. So which one? A said bank or B said park? You would pick B because we said Mr. and Mrs. Lee are in the park. Okay, that's the top thing that you do. Number 2, Jim is in the hospital. Jim is in the hospital. So what word do you hear? Number 3, she's in the living room. She's in the living room. Number 4, he's in the kitchen. He's in the kitchen. Number 5, they're in the basement. They're in the basement. And number 6, we're in the yard. We're in the yard. Okay? So, number 1 was B. Number 2 was A. Number 3 was B. Number 4 is A. Number 5 is B. And number 6 is B. This part is sort of a continuation of that. Listen, use these columns over here. Where is David? He is in the living room. Where is David? He is in the living room. Number 2, where is Patty? She is in the bedroom. She is in the bedroom. Number 3, where is Where are Mr. and Mrs. Kim? They are in the yard. I am in the bathroom. I am in the bathroom. The telephone book. It is in the kitchen. It is in the kitchen. Where are you and John? We are in the basement. We are in the basement. Okay, let's go over the answers. You can check it. Number 1 is A, 2 is B, 3 is B, 4 is A, 5 is A, and 6 is B. Okay. This is an exercise on listening and saying. Okay. You listen. And I will, and then you part. Jim and Pam. You is the word and, which is can you see? Yeah. And you, whenever you say Mr. and Mrs., you don't really say those two words. It's Mr. and Mrs. Jim and Ted. Okay? That's what that's showing you, is that you don't necessarily, you don't have to say the A and the D. You just say the N part. Okay? Now in the other column, okay, you say it, and then I'll say it after you. So do the first one. Mr. and Mrs. Lee. Mr. and Mrs. Miller. Walter and Mary. Jim and I. Okay, at the bottom of page 16, and this is like a review of everything we talked about in this chapter. So you should understand everything that's sort of on this page right here. And if you understand all of this, then you understood what was happening in the chapter. Okay? I'm so glad that you're taking this class. Hopefully it's helpful, and hopefully pretty soon we'll be able to see you in person here at CASA. And so remember, if you need anything, you can call up here at CASA and leave a message for Sandra or for Ricky, whichever one. I don't speak Spanish, Sandra does. So if you know a little English, you probably want to talk to Sandra. If you know more, then I can maybe help you. But again, thank you for participating in our class.